Hey everybody, it's Dr. Zach Beatty here with Gonstead Family Chiropractic here in beautiful sunny San Diego. What am I doing with the beach ball? Well, I can tell you I'm not going to the beach first of all, but what I am doing is helping my neck. Many of us are struggling with neck pain, and so I'm going to give you a couple exercises to do at home with all you need is a beach ball. I think we can all find one. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to go up against this, and you're going to go like that. You're going to do that 10 times. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go forward and you're going to look down, doing this motion. You can also do turning into it, okay? Do that both sides. And then the last one here, let's see if I can do it. There you go. See that? Perfect. So those are the 3 or 4 exercises that we really encourage our patients to do whenever they're struggling with neck pain. The reason that we have neck pain is a plethora of reasons, but what we're doing with this exercise that I just showed you, and again, we can all do this at home. You don't have to be dependent upon me or you or somebody else. This is purely your own personal drive. And so what you want to do is do those exercises at least once a day, 10 reps on each one. So 10 times down, 10 times turning, 10 times bending, 10 times back, so on and so forth. That's going to help strengthen some of the musculature around your neck. It's going to reactivate some of those Golgi tendons and things like that. These are all fancy words. All it means is that we're helping your neck reset, realign through the muscles and ligaments and tendons. So whenever we have car accident patients, you better believe this exercise gets used because their whole neck went into a whiplashing motion, causing massive changes. And so this will help as much as those patients or for those just struggling with a little bit of neck pain. But check below. We have the link. Also, there's other videos attached to this in our YouTube channel. Just click subscribe. We're pumping out these videos because we want you guys to be able to use these at your leisure. And so if you're ever in San Diego looking for a chiropractor, obviously give us a call. If you're not in San Diego and you're looking for a chiropractor, all you got to do is shoot us a message. Leave a comment, shoot us a message. We will connect you with a chiropractor in your area that can be trusted. I know it's always hard to find somebody that you trust in any profession. We're here to help you no matter where you're at. So if you have any questions, always reach out to us, and hope you guys are having an amazing day.